Welcome back to another Tech Relay video. Today I'm going to show you how to write an image to an SD card for Raspberry Pi. For this we're going to use a program called Etcher. Etcher is an easy to use image writer for your SD cards and USB drives. Alright, now the first thing we'll want to do is open up a web browser and go to etcher.io. You'll know you're in the right place because at the top left hand corner you'll see the Etcher logo, and then in the center of the window you'll see the download button. And then if you click the arrow right here, you'll see different versions for whichever operating system that you're running. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and click download. And then I'll go ahead and save this to my downloads folder. Save file. And this will take a few moments to download, depending on your internet connection. Looks like it's around a 50 megabyte file. Once it's done, we're going to click down here, open up Windows Explorer, head to the downloads area, and then I'm going to right click on Etcher, click open, click I agree, and this will start the install process. Should take just a moment here. And once this is done, it's going to automatically pop open Etcher for you so we can actually start writing images. Alright, here it is. Now we'll want to locate the image that we're going to write to the SD card. For this example, I just used the Raspbian Stretch Lite here from raspberrypi.org. You can use your image of choice. So I will go ahead and go into my downloads folder and extract the image here. So I'll go ahead and click extract, and this is going to take a few moments to extract the image that I've downloaded. Alright, now once that's done, I have my image extracted, so I can click select image, go into the extracted folder and select my image file, click open. Next you'll select the drive that you're writing the image to, so I'll go ahead and insert mine now. It will automatically select the drive when you insert the SD card. Feel free to change it by clicking change. When you're ready, you can go ahead and click flash. You will see the blue flash button turn orange with a starting status. This is starting the process of writing the image to the SD card. Shortly after, you should see the status turn to flashing with an estimated time of completion below. When the flashing progress reaches 99%, you will see a quick finishing status followed by validating. When the validation is complete, you'll see the status change to unmounting. Etcher will automatically eject the SD card once the writing process is completed. If you see any messages that come up saying the drive needs to be formatted, you can safely cancel these. Alright, so that's it, how to write an image to an SD card for Raspberry Pi. If you found this video helpful, and hopefully you did, make sure to like and subscribe.